In the rapidly evolving world of dash cams, the Proveo D90-4CH stands out as a feature-packed option, offering a 4-channel recording system that captures footage from the front, left, right, and rear of your vehicle. With a wealth of features including built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a generous 128 GB included memory card, this dashcam caters to the needs of drivers seeking a comprehensive and reliable solution for capturing their journeys. Overview and key features. 4. Channel front and rear and inside dashcam. The Proveo D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD 1920x1080p resolution with a 150-degree super wide-angle lens. The 3-inch LCD screen provides clear playback of your footage, even at high speeds. Notably, this dashcam allows simultaneous recording from the front, sides, and the interior of the vehicle. The 2 cabin cameras offer flexible recording angles, enabling you to capture events from different perspectives. Built-in GPS and tracking speed. One of the standout features is the integrated GPS, which precisely pinpoints the vehicle's location, speed, km/mph, time, and routes in real time. The included GPS player allows you to visualize the path trajectory taken, aiding in precise accident tracking for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Quality night vision and all-weather monitor. Equipped with an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, the cabin cameras ensure superior night vision capabilities. The latest night vision image sensor allows the capture of clear images even in pitch-black conditions, providing around-the-clock protection. Loop recording and emergency accident locks. To ensure continuous recording, the D90-4CH employs loop recording, automatically erasing the oldest unlocked footage when the memory card reaches capacity. In the event of a collision, the built-in G sensor automatically locks the current recording, preserving it as crucial evidence. Importantly, the loop recording does not overwrite locked files, ensuring the preservation of important events. Easy installation with no battery. The D90-4CH is designed for user-friendly installation, aided by reference images in the user manual. The suction mount, included in the package, can be easily installed on the windshield within seconds. Notably, the dashcam operates without a built-in battery, mitigating potential issues related to sun exposure, high temperatures, or battery damage. Package contents and additional accessories. The package includes suction cup, mount electrostatic, film for 3M, mount cable clip, charging cable user manual. Additionally, Proveo provides a free 128 GB V30 speed memory card tailored for the D90-4CH. This high-endurance memory card is tested and recommended for optimal performance with the dashcam, ensuring stability, reliability, and continuous operation over an extended period. Warm tips and recommendations. Proveo offers valuable tips and recommendations to enhance the user experience. The dashcam supports a maximum SD card capacity of 256 GB. Proveo advises against using generic Class 10 cards from third-party sellers, emphasizing the compatibility and reliability of the provided memory card. The dashcam operates automatically, starting recording when the engine is turned on and stopping when it is turned off. For improved night vision, the interior camera utilizes a special lens that may produce a purple hue in videos taken in sunlight-deprived conditions. Conclusion. The Proveo D90-4CH emerges as a robust and versatile dashcam solution, offering a comprehensive 4-channel recording system with front, left, right, and rear cameras. Its advanced features, including built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a generous 128 GB V30 speed memory card, make it a compelling choice for drivers seeking a reliable and feature-rich dashcam experience. With easy installation, high-quality night vision, and loop recording functionality, the Proveo D90-4CH stands as a noteworthy contender in the competitive dashcam market.